Theorem 10. Angles, yes, अभी सब है. Angles in a semicircle is a right angle. Very important. Often asked questions in board. Very important proof. Theorem के पहले सबसे पहले क्या लिखते हैं हम? Given. So what am I going to do here? First I am going to draw the figure. Here, very simple. O is the center. This is A. This is B. This is C. Any point you take. So what do I have to basically prove? Angle ACB is 90 degrees. So what is given to me? A circle with center O, right? A circle with center O is given to me. What else is given to me? AB is the diameter of the circle. Kaki dal mera sir. Is the diameter of the circle. And can I say ACB is a semicircle? है कि नहीं है? Yes. Next what do we write? Given के बाद construction है क्या? To prove लिखते हैं. What do we have to prove? Angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees. Is there any construction? None. No construction. सीधा I will start with the proof. Very easy this proof is. पहले समझ लो. पहले एक बार समझ लो. पोर्ट. तू क्या अभी भी वही वाला कर रहा है क्या? पिछला वाला कर रहा है क्या? कर रहा है तू? क्या डायग्राम्स ड्रॉ किए जा रहा है? What are you doing? See, this is a very simple proof. Everyone, look. We have learned in the previous theorem. What have we learned? That angles in the same segment of the circle are equal. सबसे पहला proof हमने क्या सीखा था? That if there is an arc, it subtends, whatever angle it subtends at the center is going to be double of the angle that it subtends at any other point on the circle or not. Now, this is also an arc, ना? Semicircle हो ना हो, है तो arc ही ना एक, arc ही है. So can I say arc A? Let's say this is AP. Can I say arc APB subtends a certain angle AOB at the center?
मैम बट आर्क तो AB होएगा ना.
क्या?
आर्क तो AB ही होएगा ना.
APB ये आर्क, इस आर्क की बात कर रही हूँ. When I am talking about this arc, what is the angle that it subtends at the center? Tell me. AOB. 180 नहीं. AOB करना है कि नहीं? 180 है या 190 है बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. This is the angle that it subtends at the center. Now do we know from our theorem 1, the first theorem that we did, theorem 8 for us, do we know that angle AOB is going to be 2 times angle ACB?
Yes.
We know this from our theorem. I will tell you how to write that presentation. But this is 180. So 180 is 2 times ACB. So can I say half times 180 is ACB? नहीं.
मतलब हाफ टाइम 180 हो गया ACB.
वही तो 90 हो गया. वही तो बोल रहा है. ये क्या बोल रहा है? वही प्रूव करना है. समझ गए कैसे प्रूव करना है? अभी कैसे लिखना है देखो. आप लोग प्लीज इधर बीच में
बताया था ना.
हाँ ये बताया. प्रूफ नहीं बताया. ये अंदर मैंने ये पहले बताया था. प्लीज ऐसे लाइन बनाओ आप लोग बीच में. ये स्टेटमेंट लिखो इधर. आप लोग से नहीं हो रहा है. चिट्ठी पिटी कर रहे हो आप लोग. इसका पैसा बचा रहे हो, मुझे पता नहीं पेपर बचा रहे हो. कौन है मैम? हाँ टेक है. श्वेता शीट इधर रख दे जिसको चाहिए. हाँ ओके. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग? आर 1 2 3 करके लिखो. आर्क APB subtends angle AOB at the center. Second, arc APB subtends angle ACB at the circumference of the circle. है कि नहीं? Subtends angle ACB at the circumference What are these? Given or not? Statement reason. This is given. This is also given.
No construction, right?
No construction, beta. 3. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 2 times angle ACB. What will you write? The reasoning is going to be, अभी ये reasoning of theorems है, कैसे लिखना है वो सब लिखो. Angle at the center is twice the angle at the remaining part of the circle. Angle at the center is twice the angle at the remaining part of the circle. ये प्रूफ किया है ना हम लोगों ने. So this is what मैं स्टार वैल्यू इसको क्यों? क्योंकि ये ऐसे करके ये वो थियरम को एक्सप्रेस करेगा. This is what you will write whenever you are using that theorem. Okay? So 4. But angle AOB is how much? 180 degrees. What is the reason for that? AOB. AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter मतलब क्या? Hence it is a straight line. Hence a straight line. Clear? 5. Therefore 180 degrees is equal to 2 times angle ACB. This is 1, this is 2. From 1 and 2. 6. Therefore, ACB is equal to 1 by 2 times 180 degrees. Therefore, ACB is equal to 90 degrees. Hence, proof. Is it clear?
Yes.
Angle at the center. Given, reason.